Hi guys, I'm putting out live signals today on this video, and these signals obviously they are going to be valid for a while, right? So make sure you hop on it and make sure you see this video to the end so that you benefit 100% from this video. I'm making this video on the 21st of August 2025, and the time of me making this video currently is 8:11 a.m. WAT, that is West African time. So yup, enjoy this video. Prior before now, the reason why I started from here, USDT dominance, is because I have made this analysis live on my YouTube videos I posted here, and I told you all the expectation you should be, or rather what you should be expecting from the market, right? What you should be expecting from the market in short term, mid term, long term. And this is USDT.D, and literally I just posted the bear market here, but that is not the concern right now. Right now we're going on to make some analysis on the smaller time frame, right? And for those of you that have been like joining my live videos, or rather watching my YouTube analysis videos, right, I think you are conversant with these charts, right? Because I have done analysis inside of analysis inside analysis, and I think the last one we did, right, on USDT.D, I mean, like this stuff load. I think the network is kind of a little bit messy here. Please pardon me. I am recording from West Africa, somewhere in West Africa. So sometimes our network can be shitty. So please be a little bit patient with me. And yep, we're gonna yes, we're gonna achieve greatness together. Wait, let me be sure. Okay, yeah, good. So yeah, so we did this analysis the other day, and I told you all that okay, expect some dumps in the market. Bitcoin is going to dump, I think, from 121,000. It's going to dump, and right now it's 113,000, you know. And that's when I did this analysis, I showed you that look at the impact of what USDT.D is going to have on the market. Okay, so it is what it is. Before I move further into the live analysis right now, I want you to know that there's a trading competition going on. It's the biggest trading competition in the world. You could make money by just doing what you normally do, which is trade, right? So you can make money on Bybit by simply joining Dream Chaser Squad on the Wsot competition. I'm going to attach the link to that Wsot competition on, or rather in the description box of this video. So make sure you click on it and join, so that while you're trading you can be making money. In the past, some people have won up to $800, $700, $1,000 from this community, Dream Chasers community, by just joining the squad and, you know, doing their stuff. So this USDT will be credited to you at the end of the event, and you can withdraw, you know, buy bonds and puff with it. So it is what it is. So today I'm going to do another analysis inside the analysis I've done before for the sake of this live video. Please, or rather for the sake of these live signals, right? And please hope you don't get confused, because I'm not deleting any of these charts because all these are my evidences that Dream Chaser is the best. So yep, it is what it is. So today's live analysis, first of all, I'm going to do this. So guys, we're expecting some pumps. Some pumps are going to hit the crypto market on the 2 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame in a jiffy. So why I'm saying that is because this is USDT.D, and USDT.D is gonna pump and dump. So expect some dump and pump in crypto. So some coins are going to be going down now, and you would think that, oh, we are dumping, let me sell off my old asset. No, it's just a dump and pump, a little dump and a massive pump, at least for some coins. And by the way, yesterday the signals I put out yesterday was massive. We won most of them, and bro, I'm so happy we're doing this, alright, because I am really grateful to God, the creator, you know, my creator, for giving me this skill. This is a high level skill. Like, bro, a lot of banks, companies, you know, whatever, they are trying to do this. Some of them are losing heavily, but down here we're winning, and thank God. I give all glory to God. So yep, and I'm happy I'm impacting in your life with my skill. So this is what I am expecting from USDT.D. So I'm expecting USDT.D to push up a little bit on the 2 hours time frame to this point, and then we have a dump. This push up is going to make the crypto market dump a little bit. Then this is going to push the crypto market up. This dump is going to push the crypto market up. So I'm expecting, let's say, we see Bitcoin probably at, I don't know what, we're 113 now, so let's say we see crypto Bitcoin at maybe 120. 120 is cool, yeah, 120 makes sense. So let's see how it goes. So I believe it's going to get to that point, right? But I need to be, since this is a live, or rather I'm trying to do this analysis live, I'll record this analysis. Let me give you some invalidations, right? Which is very important. So the first thing you need to know is that when USDT pumps, right, and starts dumping, if it comes to this point, it's a support, right, and that support is valid. So you should consider taking your first, maybe take profit from your trades, right, or the trades I'm going to put out when we come to this point, 4.3% thereabout, because that, you can see my pointer, because it's a support. So the market could do like this, come here and go up like this. Very valid. It's a support, very, very valid. So I just decided to put that there so that you will know that can invalidate this full TP on USDT. So make sure here is your first TP, then here could be your second TP. And also they could be like, you know what, let us deal with all these guys, and you see something like this, boom, that's another invalidation. So why I'm saying this is that these possibilities are very valid so far it is trading. So please make sure that you use stop losses. Use the stop loss I put out, use the setup I put out, and please, just as a disclaimer, though there will be a disclaimer in this video also, none of what I say is a financial advice. All of these are for entertainment and education purposes. All right, so let's keep going. As I'm talking, USDT is pumping, and I can see the crypto market is reacting already. Ethereum is at 4,200 already. All right, okay, 4,280 already, and another coins are dumping a little bit. So yep, so this is what I am expecting. Okay, so this is what I am expecting, right? And I believe that we're gonna hit the market, boom, 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 boom. So yeah, so let me then move over to since I did this stuff on the 2 hours time frame, let me go to BTC first. So BTC is usually my strength. For some of you that have been my loyal followers, you already know that I trade mostly Bitcoin personally as an individual. So you see what it is right now. Let me show you what Bitcoin is gonna do right now. And bro, we're gonna get richer today. We're going to get richer today. Ego Nadia. Okay, so full TP should be 116. So I think I was wrong when I was saying that we should be aiming for 120 now. I'm not going to aim for 120 right now, because I will use what my super tools are showing me for now. Okay, not that it's not possible, but then let's set realistic goals that can easily be achieved. You understand, bro? So yep, so this is the move I'm expecting on BTC. So should we do this at 30? Please don't be so volatile. If this is so volatile and hitting me out, it will pain me. Don't be so volatile, you BTC, don't dare be so volatile. Okay, so you know what, let me play it safer. Let's play this thing safer. I've gotten my entry ready. Yeah, so let's play this safer. Let's do a 1.5 so that okay, cool. So I think this is like a 1:2. Is it okay? Almost 1:2. Then let's aim for, yes, so this is a 1:2. Let's aim for this liquidity here. Yeah, so this is a 1:2, comfortable 1:2. My super feed was giving me something, I don't want to say better, but I want to say in my own terms something a little bit riskier, and I don't want us to be on that riskier. I don't want us to be on that riskier vibes, So yeah, so this is it. So very clean, super epic. Now, what is it here? We have our entry at 113,121. You can see it here. We have our stop loss at 111,416 on BTC, and the leverage we're going to use for this is 20x leverage. 20x leverage, right? So that's the leverage you're going to use for this, 20x leverage. So if this stop loss activates, we're going to lose a total of 30%, because 20 times, you can see that 1.5 in the bracket times 1.5 is equals to 30% stop loss, right? Then if this trade hits, we're going to make 20 times 3.32 up in the bracket, 66%. So this is what it is for BTC. Now let's move over to the next one. So this is signal 1. So I'm going to put out, and let's say, should I do like 5 signals? But please don't you dare overtrade. No trial. Don't dare overtrade, okay? I know, yes, we all know Dream Chaser is a genius. Yes, he's a genius, but don't overtrade, okay? Please. Financial discipline is very important. Don't overtrade. So this is for ETH. This is for ETH. This my analysis for ETH right now. So, whoa, ETH is going to pump one more. So, ETH. Yeah. Okay. ETH, how do I make sense? So, okay. Let's do it like this. All right. So this is my setup for ETH. So on here we have our entry at 4,209 on ETH. We're going to take this trade with a 10x leverage. So 10x, our stop loss here is 3%, right? So 10x times 3 is equals to 30%. So 10x leverage, entry at 4,209. Stop loss price is 4,079, and take profit is 4,541. So basically this is like let's say, yes, a 1 is to like one, almost 1 is to yes, 1 is to 2 there about, because if we lose this trade, we're going to lose 30%, but if we win this trade, we're going to win 79%. So that is, it's over a 1 is to 2, right? The risk to reward ratio. So which should we go for next? And I think we should do LTC USDT. I like trading personally when it comes to altcoins. I like trading those altcoins that are on the top 10 market cap in the world, because they are, they're a little bit more stable than other ones. Not like as if I can't analyze other ones and trade. Like, I mean, yesterday we won ARB. Oh shit, ARB, I didn't put it out, but we won Fatcoin and we won Bell. But our stop loss hit on XRP before it went to full take profit, which was a sad one. So okay, LTC. So let's move on to LTC. Wonderful setup. So so let's see what LTC is going to give us here. Okay, so we move and so guys, I believe you're enjoying this. For those of you that are very smart, you'll be learning how DC looks at the market and takes trade. So I believe you're enjoying it. Make sure you watch the ending of this video. So meanwhile, guys, sign up on Wix. There's a lot of things going on Wix. You can win a lot of freebies on Wix. There's the daily spin on Wix, where you can get a lot of USDT, a lot of WXT, a lot of other prizes. Some people do get a lot of $150, $100, $20 from time to time on Wix. So make sure you sign up on Wix through my partnership link is attached to this video. Okay, and yep, that's about it. So this is what we have for LTC. Entry is at 114, stop loss is at 110, and take profit is at 120. And the leverage we're going to use for LTC is 10x leverage. So this is like a 1:1.9 there about, because it's almost 6%. That is, let's say it's an almost 1:2. Yes, 1:2. So that's why I say 1.9. So 1:2, right? 1:2. So yep, this is LTC setup, and I don't want to trade XRP. XRP showed us shaking. yesterday. He pinged me. He just came, bam, tapped our stop loss, and boom, take profit and over. And I was like, damn, bro. So the network is kind of messy. So please bear with me. I am not in control of this one. So bear with me. Yeah. One of my friend Giwa is asking me how the market is on. And like, what are we expecting? So we're kind of short-term bullish, all right? Short-term bullish. I know say you go dey surprised. See, at the chat I'm like this. I tell him inside the record video. So yep. So short-term bullish for now. Maybe he'll watch this video. He'll go himself. He'll go off. He'll be like, see this boy, he did on video and he follow me talk. So, bro, I don't know why on earth is this network, bro, and Kai. You see, the limitation here as an African kid can be crazy. Like, I don't want to even use another one, attempt another one. Okay, cool. So, okay, so next we're moving to, we've done LTC, BTC, ETH. Let's try ADA USDT.p. Let's see what we can get on Cardano ADA. Alright, let's see if there's a good setup there, because I know ADA can be very volatile, and I think ADA reacts to pump a lot. So let's see if, oh yeah, bro, normally I will not take this trade. Normally. So I think I will avoid ADA. There's a reason why I'm not going to take it. Wait, let me check. 4H. Okay. So on 4H we have this. I think what enter already. Okay. Bro, this can be a lot. 4H is giving us, we're going, but we've been analyzing on the 2H. 4H is giving us 1.1 as footy. Let me even calculate how many percent. 34% on spot. Crazy. 34% on spot. Oh my god. Okay, on the 4H. Okay. So if you're going to take ADA, right, know that ADA is the riskiest trade I've analyzed here today. So, but for the 2 hours we've been doing, we'll have a breakout. I think we're coming to have a retest. So I will give you this as ADA. This is still a cool trade setup, but there's something I saw and I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to say that stuff. But then this is still a cool setup, very cool in fact for what it is I mean to say. Yeah, so this is a very cool setup. So here we'll have over almost 1:3, right? But see something here. So what I'm telling you now. So let's say ADA. So ADA is going to come here, activate, and come here. So entry 0.8586, entry for ADA. Stop loss 0.8329. Take profit 0.9290. But see something here, right? I believe this trade is going to play out. It's going to play out. It just is something I saw, but then I think we're going to have a break of structure, right? And because obviously, why I said so is that let me just show what I saw. No, that'll be about educating you guys. Man. If you want me to teach you deeply, come and pay me. So, but now once we activate and ADA gets to this point, if you can, try and hold your ADA. This is the first major resistance. That is, I'm using the 4 hours is now a major to the 2 hours. So this is the first major resistance. So if you can, hold your ADA to this point. Let me put it right. Then the next major resistance is here. So anything that makes ADA get to this point, ADA will get here. If it comes to TP, it's going to get here. Then when it gets to this point and breaks above this point, it's going to get here. Now let me tell you what you can make from this. So you can make from here to this point here, you can make 170% profit. Then to this point here, you can make 336% profit with this same setup. Very, very possible. Extremely possible. So you can be adjusting your stop losses, as the trade goes up. They call it trailing stop loss, if I'm not mistaken. So that is it for ADA. Then let's try Chainlink. I'm using KCX. Oh my god, okay, no, I cannot analyze Chainlink. Let us leave it. I've seen something that I cannot analyze this. It passed my power. So Chainlink, which other one? Okay, should we try Sol? Let's try Sol. Yeah, good. So no pass my power. No need passing power. If I see waiting pass my power, it starts I take the run. Once I just observe some more. This one pass me, I take off. So this is Chainlink. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so for Sol, we have the setup for Sol. So we have a retracement down to 182.50 and a pump to 198, right? And this pump to 198, I'm not gonna lie, I can literally see this. If this happens, in fact it has happened already, Chineke, oh my word. So basically, okay, yeah, this is first TP here at 198, but I'm not gonna lie, this trade is coming here to this point. So your possibility of making, let me even take it there. Yeah, so that's just the fact. So you have the possibility of losing 30%, but if it goes the way I'm showing you just right here, you're going to make at least a 140% profit. Okay, so I think this 5 is enough, because some of you, no matter how I say don't overtrade, and I know the hear word, you understand. So I think this 5 trades is enough. So make sure you engage, sign up on Wix, sign up on Wsot on Bybit, right? So the links will be attached to this video. Make sure you sign up on it, and also make sure you go through other videos I've put out. I've talked about altcoin and how the crypto market want to trap a lot of people, and how the crypto market is going to crash on a lot of people. And some of you might think it's a joke. I think for those of you that know me already probably before now, you know that well, this guy is a genius. There's something he has up there. So make sure you are taking more time posting more seriously. Okay, so yeah, so that's what it is. It is what it is. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notifications. That's very important, so that you don't miss out on any of my updates. And please share this video to another crypto enthusiast. See you in the next one. Goodbye.